Hey, this is Neil from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Something different for you today. I recently interviewed Jack from the platform, the money-raising platform Equitise, about how they're going to help us create a brand new crowdsourced business here in Australia. If you'd like to find out more about what we're doing with the crowdsourced business, there's a link just below for that. You can find out more about what we're doing, and if you're interested in investing, you're welcome to register your interest also via that link as well. So this video is me asking Jack a question all about the relationship between Equitise and how they're able to help Aussies just like you and me invest in these groundbreaking businesses. So let's get into it. What are you looking for when you're looking for potentially bringing businesses onto your platform? What do Equitise go through to make sure they're not putting something, quote unquote, dodgy onto the platform?
Yeah. So best way to think of us is like Shark Tank or Dragon's Den. We only take on maybe 3% of all the companies that come through our door every year. We spend a lot of time judging each founder, each opportunity, both from business and market perspective. I think, pet food has done historically very well in crowdfunding. So, that instantly piqued our attention. And then obviously, the more we heard about Neil and Kate and Wayne, the more comfort we got in that this is going to be a great opportunity despite it being pre-revenue. I think that space and the sort of Amazon aggregator space is really sort of picking off in Australia. So a lot of time vetting each opportunity, a lot of time spent on things like legal documents as well. I think, if you're taking on 500 to 1,000 new shareholders, you need your shareholders agreement and constitution needs to be watertight. So we do spend a lot of time on things like that as well.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.